Howdy ho, neighbors. It's time for another taste test. Today we've got PeaTos. PeaTos. Crunchy chips, nacho cheese. Even my teenager prefers them over a bag of Doritos, according to RobDog19. Whatever that is. Junk food without the junk. So, remember, our motto is, we taste nasty things so you don't have to. I do admit, I love my pea milk. Can't remember the brand. Who's the brand? They make milk out of pea proteins, which is what's making Beyond Burgers now. Looks like a regular Doritos. Ripple. I love Ripple. It's very tasty. Don't like their creamer so much, but I love their milk. You get stuff all over your fingers like a regular Doritos. It's got the texture-ish. Let's see. It's they don't have the nacho cheese seasoning down. It's awfully, obviously a different taste. The crunch is there. The texture's off a little bit. It's a little more cardboardish than real, not Doritos or Cheetos, whatever. But you do get that satisfying crunch. Mainly, they just need to up their nacho cheese powder. Okay. A pulse flour blend consisting of pea flour, pea protein, and pea fiber. Oils, nacho seasoning, buttermilk, whey, salt, Parmesan cheese. So it uses a real cheese powder, which means it's not vegan. Onion powder, sugar, garlic. So it's pea powder, pea proteins, pea flour. That's okay. Just their seasoning, they need more. Something. And it's almost there. Maybe it is the flavor of the chip. Oh, it's okay. I'm not a big Doritos eater. Well, once in a while I'm a big Doritos eater. It's not going to replace them. It's okay for an occasional something. 'Cause, 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 'cause 130 calories for about 14 chips. It's probably about the same as regular Doritos. It's got some fiber, it's got a little protein, very little fat, so 8% sodium. It's not health food. It's just junk food that's not as junky. Anyway, yeah, it's yeah, somewhere in here. 2 3/4 out of 5. 2 1/2. 2 1/2, 2 3/4. Like, it's better than rice cakes. And that's it. It might be good dipped in some salsa though. Ooh. Maybe I'll try salsa. So, thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day. See you next time. Bye!